To make decisions on the types of HR solutions to invest in, the different programs that we would like to send our employees for. And number two, about how important it is to invest in your human capital so that they can then reap benefits for you in different parts of your business.
So there will be scenarios going on, like real life scenarios. For example, you have recession and things like that going on. It's changing all the time, it's dynamic. Because sometimes you really just have losses like that. You have to manage it, they call it suck it up. Yeah.
Because I'm in the F&B industry, we do employ a lot of older workers, and we want to really look at upskilling them, redesigning their job scope, and keep them in employment and then be a stronger part of the team.